Quite often, companies and people are resistant to change. The employees who've worked in an organization for a long time are used to doing things in a certain way. Very often, there is a good reason for that. But on certain occasions, they just do things mechanically, because that's how it has always been done. In the next 2 lessons, we'll explore several symptoms that could give us a hint about working capital inefficiencies. Here we will focus on trade payables, while in our next video, we'll talk about trade receivables. Okay, one of the key signs a company has not optimized its trade payables function is if it doesn't have financial difficulties, but nevertheless pays interest or late payments and has been imposed credit sanctions by suppliers. Such problems usually mean that there are problems with the firm's payment term approval mechanisms, and that in general there is a lack of standardized payment terms. In addition, it is a bit strange to see a company working with a large number of suppliers who basically sell the same products. There is no reason to work with tens of suppliers if you can concentrate your business with 1 or 2 of them and get a better deal in terms of price, product, and payment terms. Talking about payment terms, another yellow light would be to see that a firm has multiple payment terms with the same supplier. What was the reason to agree on this? It is much more efficient to pay everything at the same time and avoid going through the same process multiple times per month. And finally, an increasing number of payment disputes means something in our payables function is not working as well as it should and needs our attention. These are all symptoms that a company's trade payables are not as efficient as they could be. Of course, it is up to the finance manager to investigate these signals and decide upon their merit. Thanks for watching.